Hi guys, it's Steve from Sarah Designs. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, welcome to our channel. Please make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. Today we're going to do a cool, I want to try that video. It's part of a new series I'm trying out, and I'm still playing with the name because I'm not so sure I like that. But anyway, it's what I say every time I see something that I want to try. I'm like, oh, that's cool. I want to try that. So that's why I named it that. Anyway, today I go through Pinterest a lot, and I found this. I don't want to do the purse, but I think I'm going to try the card. So it looks easy enough. Let me see if I can, if I want to give the person their props. Trinity Design Studio. Robin Merriam. That's where I got it from, off of Pinterest. So that's what I'm going to try to follow a little bit. Obviously, we're going to put our own spin to it, but for the most part, I'm going to try to keep up with what she has done. So, first things first, we are going to take a piece of cardstock. We're going to do our standard 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 fold with an A2 size card, which I've already done that. We're going to do it in burgundy today. I have to be honest with you guys, I was playing around with this a little bit earlier, and I did try out a couple different designs, and I didn't like a lot of them, but this is what I came up with. So, we have that. For the buckle, I'm going to use this sparkly cardstock that I got from Crafter Square, Dollar Tree. Comes in a pack of 4 if you have a Dollar Tree near you. If not, I apologize. It was $1.25. The sparkly paper is beautiful. So we're using the gold. I think the gold will be pretty on that. So we're going to do that. I have to be honest. I've already cut it out, but I wanted to show you guys. You use what you have. You don't have to buy anything special. If you have nestabilities or whatever they call them, squares, just use squares. You can use that square. You can even use these if you want it. You can use these. Anything that's squared off. You could even probably do something with these. See how I have, this was a to make a flippy card, but there's squares in there, so you could use them, or you can even do something funky and oblong like that. So I've chosen to do this. So I think I'm going to take this with that. So let's do that real quick. I'll be right back after I cut it. Okay, got it cut out. Here's what I got. Be careful. You see how, hopefully nobody will notice this, but I did, and now I'm kind of mad. Less on here, more on here. See how that is? It is what it is at this point. I'm going to just roll with it. Also, when you use darker cardstock, you see how it's scratched? I don't know if you can see it. I can see it. So be careful of that. But we're going to cover that up. Next step, this is a pretty easy card, guys. Grab your embossing folders, whatever you have. I didn't happen to have the kind she had, but I did find something similar. These little, these are both from Darice. They're little swirlies. So I'm going to run them through real quick on a piece of white cardstock that I am cutting at 3 1/2 by 5 1/2. So let me do that real quick and I'll be right back. All right, that's done. Ran it through. This is what I got. I didn't cut it completely yet, but this is 3 1/2 wide. I have to cut it down to 5 1/2 long so we could do that in the middle. What do we think of that? That'll be all right. All right, we're going to do that. Also, while we're cutting, we're going to take a piece of black cardstock and we're going to cut it 1 1/4 inches by 4 1/4, a little more than 4 1/4 inches wide. So let's get the cutter out. And we'll do, I'm trying to do this as quick as possible so I don't keep you guys. But we'll do the black first. We're going to do it at, what did I say? 1 1/4 wide. The reason for that is because we need this to be on the outside of that. So I think it'll be 1 1/4 should be fine. You can even go a little smaller if you'd like. By the way, this is a new cutter I got from Goodwill. Best ever. And then what I say we're doing 4 1/4. I want to go a little bit bigger than 4 1/4 because I want to make sure it fits okay. All right, that's that. Oh, let's cut this piece off. This piece has to be 5 1/2 wide. I already did it 3. Oh, it's 2 1/2. 2 1/2 wide by 5 1/2. Cuts like butter. This thing, I love it. I feel really bad about the person who had it before me, though. I'm so sorry. I think that they didn't think it worked because it had the cover on it. But okay, that's that. See, 4 1/4. I have a little overhang, so we'll have to cut it. Guys, we're almost done with this card already. Now, I have this little thingy that I got from Tim Holtz, and what it does is it distresses the sides of your paper. It's got like a little razors in it. So we're going to just go down and distress it. What I had tried earlier was I tried to take a piece of cardstock and tear it. I thought that would be cool, but I don't like it. It would be cool. But I don't really like the straight edge. Somebody might. I mean, to each his own, right? This thing kind of distresses it a little, gives it a little bit of an edge, but nothing too drastic. I don't use this much because it causes a lot of little paper shreds all over the place. A lot of paper dust. But I like the distressed look it gives it. Say the paper dust. So, and I didn't emboss that one. And I tore it, they say if you tear it, you tear it towards you, you get a, like the worn look on this side versus, see here, how here, you can't really see. But there you get more of the torn look. So that's what I'm going for. I'm going to go put this through the embossing. Or I'm going to put that through here and see what it looks like. I'll be back. All right, let's see. Do I maybe like this one better? Because of the color? I think I do like the darker better. You guys see the difference? That's stark white. This is actually the paper pack of paper that I got out of my haul from Goodwill the other day. Go back and watch it if you haven't already seen it. All right, we're going to use this one. Why not? I'm just using regular Bearly Art glue. This is almost done. You can also add some stamping underneath. which I had done on a sample card. You can stamp anything underneath. I have a holly berry here. I have a snowflake here. Taco wants to say hi. Yeah, we all hear you. We hear you and obey. Shh. That's not what I meant by up. All right. Because I'm not paying attention to you. Stop. Behave. She saw me stand up, so she was like, oh, playtime. All right. It's not playtime, Taco. I just want to make sure I'm in frame still. Put this all the way to the edge here, and then we'll cut her down. Okay. This piece, I don't like this thing here, but we'll pretend we don't see it, okay? Ugh. My struggle is real here today. See, if you make it too thick, then you won't be, it won't look like the buckles like inside. Now it looks like it's actually buckled in. Guys, that's the card for today. You could put a little sentiment or saying or something on it if you'd like. Or you can just, you can put that on there too if you want it. But, or you could just leave it like it is. Here's the other one I did earlier. Trying to test it out. I actually kind of like this darker one better. I wish I did this a little thinner. That's our card for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And that is our cool, I want to try that for the day, for the week. So I hope you guys try it. If you do, make sure you tag me in it or put a picture down below so I can see what you guys came up with. I don't want to take credit for the design because it is not my design. So I just kind of copied and made my own little version of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And what else do we have to say, Taco? Anything else? Guys, like I said, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you do so. And leave a comment below. We like to read your comments, but no negative comments because they will be deleted. There's enough negativity in this world without it being on our channel. So thank you. Just move on to the next video if you don't like us or our channel. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye.